What's up, bro? All good? Well, Aurelio is back another time with another great video. Are you ready? We start! Once more, I will tell you about another version of the Progress spacecraft. I'm sure some of you will be bored with all this talk of Progress, but I guarantee you this will be the last time. In the next video, I will tell you about another model kit that hasn't a Russian origins. The Russian Progress spacecraft have always fascinated me with their shapes, their characteristics and the great potential that they have for the missions for which they were intended. The Progress spacecrafts derive from the Soyuz and they are designed to supply automatically space stations with all that's necessary equipment for the people residing on them. Over the years, the Russian technicians have improved them both in terms of increasing the amount of payload and in their characteristics, without ever changing their shape. Before, for the Progress M-2, the Russian engineers indulged much than before, and they designed a Progress spacecraft with a high volume than normal. Unfortunately, even this version remained only at the project stage, due to the lack of funds, and it never saw its realization. The Planet Progress M-2 was originally designed for use with the 90-ton Mir-2 module. After the cancellation of Mir-2, the Russian proposed it for its use with the ISS, but unfortunately the proposal wasn't accepted for various reasons, and the project saw its end in 1993. The Progress M-2 maintained the same propulsive module as the normal Progress, but it varied the orbital module in the shape and size. Inside the module, there would have been all the materials necessary for the people residing on the space stations to which it would dock. As you can see from the pictures, the model is made of resin with some pieces in photo etch. Its surfaces are well detailed, and the outer part faithfully reproduce the texture of the thermal blanks that would have covered it externally. Its assembly is quick and easy, and it doesn't present major difficulties. The box also includes some beautiful decals to enrich the whole model kit. They faithfully reproduce the solar panels present on each Progress. Now it's up to you to decide to have it for your collection. Contact me as quickly as possible. You can't miss this subject in your collection. Write me. At the end of this video there is my email. And don't forget, guys, to stay up to date. Bye!